In this video I'm going to show you how to change your YouTube channel name. So first of all, you need to go to YouTube and you select your profile picture. And then you go to view your channel. Here you choose customize channel. And now the YouTube studio will be opened. Continue. So to change your channel name, you go to basic info, and over here you will see your channel name and you can change it. So as YouTube says over here, you can only change it twice in 14 days. So that's new instead of like it used to be 3 times in 90 days. But now it's only twice in 14 days. So what's really important is that you don't change your channel name if your channel is verified. So if you have that little check mark next to your name, that means that it is verified by YouTube. And if you change your channel name, that icon will disappear. So if you really want to change it, you need to make sure that that is what you want and that your icon, your verified icon, will disappear. And that's how to change your YouTube channel name. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was the case, please leave a like and I see you in the next video.